10 File Explorer Tricks for Faster Navigation. 1. Use the Quick Access toolbar to pin frequently used folders. 2. Press Alt+P to enable the preview pane in File Explorer. 3. Right-click a file and select Pin to Quick Access for easy retrieval. 4. Use Shift+Delete to permanently delete files without sending them to the recycle bin. 5. Press Ctrl+F to quickly search within File Explorer. 6. Use File History to view previous versions of files. 7. Right-click the Start button and select File Explorer for fast access. 8. Press Alt+Up arrow to quickly navigate up a directory. 9. Enable Hidden Items in the View tab to access hidden files. 10. Use Alt+F4 to close current window completely and immediately.